Hey everyone, I haven't done a mail call video in a while, so I'm going to do a mail call video. I have a Happy Mail in order, so I'm going to do the Happy Mail first. Let me find her address. I want to share with you this beautiful, beautiful envelope, and it's from Laura Vasquez. But this is just awesome. I can't wait to put this in my journal. Oops, I got an address showing over there I'm trying not to show. So we have here from Miss Laura Vasquez. Oh, cool. Believe in your dreams. Laura makes the cutest cards. So thank you so much for your D-stash boxes. These are some random items for your glue book. Still praying for you and Pete. It has really been a rough year. More reasons to craft. Much love, Laura Vasquez. Love it. Oh, look at this neat. No, I never thought of this. Never thought of this. This is actually an envelope, and she has turned it into two. You can make it into two separate pockets. You can make it into a flip. Brilliant. Or you can turn it into a little book. Brilliant. Love it. Look at this envelope. Today I stopped and watched a butterfly. It didn't take long. Oh my God, Lord, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And see, I don't decorate the fronts of mine because our mailman says that we're not allowed to. I love it. Fly away. Secret destination. It's a little license plate. I'm going to put that on one of the boys' bikes. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is awesome. Oh my God, that's awesome. I don't think I'm going to put that in the baby journal I'm doing, the creepy baby. Great. Rose O'Neill Green Howe. Rebel Rose. This is cute. This will go in the journal too. Thank you, Laura. You're helping me finish up the journal. I love this piece of paper. Butterflies. Who doesn't love butterflies? Everybody loves butterflies. Wow, that looks like that would pick up. That is shiny. Cool. Oh, wow. 6-pound cover natural. I don't know what this came out of, but these are some gorgeous pages. Wow. 100-pound book. 80-pound book. So what does the weight go down as you get 70-pound book? Oh, look at this one. I love this. That'll make an awesome painting. Beautiful. Cool concessions. Love it. Oh, man. My favorite in the whole world. Texas Roadhouse of the Year. These are some book pages. Oh, how cute. Look at this. Oh, man, I love this. This will make some neat, mixed media. Cool. How cool is that? Oh, look, I don't know if the camera's catching it, but as you move it, the liquid inside the glass changes colors. Cool. Wow, he has some great papers. Ah, my boys love trains. This train stops. 20 minutes for supper at the Golden Hotel. They better be pretty fast at serving. First class meals, 50 cents. Wow. Oh my gosh. The boys are going to have a fit. I love it. And they will too. I'll map this one, put it in their room. More trains. Oh boy. Look at this one. How cool is that? The streetcar. Spinning wheel. Wow. Oh, man. Some of these pages can make great digis if I knew how to make digis. Cool. Oh, man. That makes a beautiful painting, too. Ooh. Love it. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful pages. Oh, pink roses. My favorite in the whole world. That, well, pink and yellow. I love both. I love roses, period. English daisy. These are neat. Little Tommy Tittlemouse. Cool. Some watercolor paper. So that was great. Now I'm going to show you what I ordered, and I'm trying not to show the address, and I'm doing it anyway. So let me get this open. This came from Curly T, and I know I should have opened it before. I have another package, but I'm going to do a separate video for that one. Okay, I'll be right back. I have to open this. Okay, it's open. I remember what I ordered now. First, I want to say thank you so much to Laura Vasquez, because that was absolutely beautiful, everything you sent, and I will get a lot of joy out of it, and so will the boys with the trains. So, from Curly T, I ordered Science Year 2006, and it has some beautiful pictures in it. But mainly because of the year. 2006 has very special meaning to me. And because there were some stories in here, this is the main thing I was going after. And it's because Nicholas is so into planets and space and all of that now. But Anthony loves animals, and it has some things on polar bears in it. So I'm not sure this is the one I ordered. I think this is the one I ordered. But anyway, yeah, there's one thing in here about space. I thought the one I got was full of it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It has different things on space and the galaxy and the universe. And oh, he's going to love this too. It's got marine life in it. So, yeah. I mean, yes, I do order a lot of kids' books to read to them. But I also get higher education things such as this because, hey, he's a sponge. That's the only way to put it. The Way We Lived in the 20th Century was Reader's Digest book, and Brave New World 1945 to 70 was a Reader's Digest book. And I bought these as well, mainly for pictures. And because it's interesting, and I'm a historyaholic, so I will read it first and then decide if I want to copy any of the pictures and use them. That's cute. So yeah, I got these two, and I think I paid a total of $7. So you can't beat. I mean, these are in brand new condition, absolutely brand new condition. You listen, it's like they've never even been opened before. So yeah, $3 each for these, and this was a heck of a deal. Look at that, I love Lucy. Are her kids still alive? Never hear anything about them. Oh yeah, I know why you got this one. I got this one for the info on here about JFK and MLK. So yeah. I'm glad I got these. So, great deal. She just had another book sale, and I bought most of the books for the boys with this one. But watch for Curly T. If you're not sub to her, go over and sub to her, because she does great, inexpensive sales, and it's good quality stuff. It's like new stuff. So, okay, that's it for this one. See you soon. Bye-bye.